The tutorial is about locals, so I need to create a locals file. New file, locals.tf. I will close the second folder. So locals.tf is created. I'm inside the file, it is empty. I need to write something here. So guess what I write? Locals. Inside the curly brackets, I write policy description. Write it the same way as you write variables, so you can make any name you want. You can write here, for example, Boolean values, numbers, lists of elements or strings. Description came from locals. You can also reference variables like rar, var, dot, and write the variable name, it will work. So the locals are pretty useful. Another local I want to create, it is a policy effect equals. You can also write here conditions, for example, var dot allow underscore effect equals true. So if it is true, the output will be allow, and if it is not true, the output will be deny. That is how it works. I don't have that allow effect, so I have to create a variables.tf file. The file is ready. This is this one in free locals folder. I write here variable. I copy the name allow effect, paste it. Now I write the description. Description effect for IAM policies dot true means allow, semicolon, false means deny. I also tell Terraform that the type of it is Boolean and the default value will be true. Perfect. Let's create now main.tf file. Again, I am very lazy. I go to the second folder, open main.tf, copy the first resource if policy string, paste it here, and let's make some modification. For description, I write local policy description. For effect, I write local allow effect. No, it's wrong. Policy effect. That's better. For action, I write square brackets, and here I write S3 list all my buckets. Remember, we used this action in previous videos with input variables, so you can just copy it from there. Resource is okay, and I don't need the tags. Why? Because I already defined that all resources will have the tag creator Terraform, so I don't have to write them here. That's ready. In the next video we will deploy it.